Aji Seasoning Series. Pag bagong kasal, may bagong challenges. Like cooking. Buti na lang may Aji Pork Sabor and new Aji Chicken Sabor. May all-in-one meaty sarap because it's made with real meat extracts and other seasonings. All in one pat. Kaya ano man ang lulutuin, challenge so accepted. Meaty sarap. Always choose Aji Seasonings. Aji Seasoning Series.
Iba talaga ang mindset ng mami. May confidence ka lang pag garantisado. Kaya sa pagluto ko ng gisado, dito ako sa
Garantisadong ginisarap.
para kahit anong gisadong lutuin, sure ako sa sarap ng gisad.
Garantisadong ginisarap. Garantisadong ginisarap.
Kaya mag-aji kinisa na.
Always choose Aji Seasonings. The Aji Seasoning Series.
When it comes to acting, I want to make a mark. At sa pagluluto, may signature na ako. Tatak kong sarap. Ajinomoto. Tak, tak, tak. Para achieve ang tatak kong sarap. Ajinomoto.
Always choose Aji Seasonings.